PPI started with the dream of one man, an immigrant from South Africa who pursued the American dream.
What I like about working with PPI is that they're a lot like Peak Industrials, that they're still family owned. There's still a lot of direct communication with the boots on the ground, as we say. And the sales team is fantastic.
The way how PPI can consult a customer and guide him into buying the right equipment which fit like a suit to their demands. That is the first asset PPI brings. They have a very big understanding about the market needs. They have an understanding what is available on the markets and where are going trends to.
If you want someone that's going to provide you a solution that's actually going to work in your application, then go with them. That's their, I think it's kind of what got us over the goal line, so to speak, with them, is they were able to deliver exactly what we needed and in the time frame that we needed them to deliver it.
The machines are very reliable. We have one from 2006 that operates daily, and it's still in operation, still reliable, very little downtime.
They are super great in the engineering. All the service-wise, I think they are the best.
Anytime you buy this type of equipment, and especially in the environment that we are in, the service is key. And these guys have been very top-notch on the service department.
The advantage of working with PPI is that they will bring different companies together to work on one project, and that each company will do what they're best at.
Oh, they're extremely friendly people, customer-oriented. They're out to help to solve the problem. They're not wondering whether they're going to make money tomorrow or not. They want to see how they can solve your problem and come with some very good, innovative and creative ideas.
As a solutions type of group, the PPI is a group that definitely looks at your system, your operation. They'll take a look at your full product line of what you're trying to achieve or accomplish. They'll even package it initially for you. And then from that aspect is integrate that into where you can take on and do your own packaging and take your product to market right away. It allows a smaller company to be able to have a means of getting into business and being able to fulfill and take care of customers.